Hello friends, in this video we will discuss Coulombs law and its vector form. So Coulombs law deals with force of interaction between charges. So deals with the force and its statement is like this: F is directly proportional to Q1 Q2. Q1 Q2 being the magnitude of the two charges. So this is Q1 Q2 and this is distance R between them. And this force is inversely proportional to square of distance between them. Combining the both, it is Q1 Q2 upon R square, and to change this proportionality into equality, we add a constant decay Q1 Q2 R square. This constant depends upon the medium between the charges. If there is free space, there is no medium between the charges, then value of K is 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught, where epsilon naught is the permittivity of free space. This K for a free space, its value is 9 into 10 raised power 9. Then units, its units will be like this. This is Newton, this is meter, Newton meter square per coulomb per coulomb square. Newton meter square per coulomb square. And this permittivity of free space, its value is 8.85 into 10 raised power minus 12. And its units are like this. This will go here. So this coulomb square, this Newton will come down, Newton meter square. It's coulomb square per Newton meter square. These are the two values. Now we will try to see the Coulombs line vector form. For that, we take xy axis. Now charge Q1 is here, charge Q2 is here. See, this force we divide into two. Q2 will repel Q1. So Q2 will apply force on Q1 in this direction. This force we call force on 1 due to 2. Symbol is like this: force on 1 applied on 1 due to 2. 2 is applying. Similarly, Q1 will repel Q2 and direction of force is this, and it will use force on 2 due to 1. These are the two forces. They are equal in magnitude, opposite in direction. So F21 mod F21 is mod F12, following Newton's law of motion. Now see, this point, its position vector is vector from the origin to the position of this object. Charge is Q1. I will name this position vector R1. Similarly, position vector for this Q2, it is the vector from the origin to the position of this object. Charge Q2, we will name it R2. Now, there are two vectors here. See, one vector will be whose tail is at Q1 and head is at Q2. Another vector will be in this direction, whose tail is at Q2 and head is at Q1. This vector starts from 1 and ends at 2. We name it R12 in this direction. This vector starts from 2 and at 1, so we name it R21. vector starting from 2 ending at 1, vector starting from 1 ending at 2. Now see R1 R12 taken in same order, and then R2 is in reverse order. So by triangle law of vector addition, R1 vector plus R12 vector taken in same order, their resultant is R2 vector taken in opposite order. So here R12 vector is R2 vector minus R1 vector. This is equation. Now again see R2 vector and then this direction, R21 vector taken in same order and R1 taken in reverse order. So by again triangle law, their resultant is R1, R2 vector plus R21 vector is R1 vector. So from here R21 vector is R1 vector minus R2 vector, 4. Now we have to write these two forces F12 and F21. See, to write Coulombs line vector form, what we need? To write down a vector, we need magnitude of the vector and a unit vector in the same direction. Unit vector means a vector of magnitude 1 unit in the same direction. This represents the vector. So first we will write F12. In place of 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught, I will write K. So it is K Q1 Q2 upon distance C. Whenever we talking about F12, we will take this distance in the same direction, this vector R21. In the direction of F12 force, there is a vector R21. So we will take this R21 in this way. So it will be magnitude of R21 square. This is the magnitude of this force. And now a unit vector in the same direction. So unit vector in the direction of R21 is R21 cap. Now so F12 vector is K Q1 Q2 upon mod R21 square R21 unit vector multiply and divide with mod R21. So F12 force is K Q1 Q2. In the denominator it becomes mod R21 cube. And here see vector mod R into its unit vector is the full vector. See vector is nothing but mod of R into unit vector. So this mod R into unit vector gives us the full vector. So mod R21 into unit vector gives us the full vector R21. It's R21. Now instead of this R21, we will use this what we got from the triangle law. R21 in place of R21 we will write R1 minus R2. So force F12 comes K Q1 Q2 upon, instead of mod R2 I will write mod R1 minus R2. It is mod R1 minus R2 cube and mod R1 minus R2. See, at the end this is, they are in same order 1 2 1 2 1 2. So if this is the order, then the result is correct. In this way you can remember it. At last they are in same order 1 2 1 2 1 2. Similarly F21 force will come K Q1 Q2 upon, same order will be there as well. See this R2 and 1, then here also comes 2 first, 1 later. Cube mod R2 minus R1. So these are the two forces represented in vector form. That's it.